Crawl space, eh?
The house is gorgeous. The crawl space is nasty. It needs a French drain. Look at this. Wow. This is the reason why the upstairs wasn't, the doors weren't closing. Look at the brick. It's separated. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's not good. Water's coming into
Yeah, water is coming in through there, so you could put an inside system in and 29,000 feet of drain tile and 59 friggin' sump pumps. Ain't gonna do you no good. The water's coming in through here, deteriorating the mortar joints and screwing shit up.